Hello world, happy to see you again via Waves. Here we are going to explore the highest number of railway tunnels located in between two railway stations in Sri Lanka. There are 43 tunnels in the railway line from Colombo to Badule. Out of 43, there are 14 tunnels between Ohiya and Idalgashinna, holding the records for the highest number of railway tunnels in between two railway stations. The distance between these two stations is 8 km and the train runs along the railway track for most of the journey. The rail line hugs the edge of the cliffs it passes. And this is where you get some of the breathtaking views of the forest covered by pine trees and hills. This Podziemniki takes you through all 14 tunnels between these two stations, which have a rather amazing feel to it when you stand on the edge of looking into a tunnel of darkness. Nothing compares to the feeling that cool, crispy weather gives while watching endless beauty of passing the hills and pine trees in between these two stations.